Alright, we're taking a quick look at the new RCF. This is the 10th anniversary edition, which gets a few add-ons that I'll go through. It's just started to rain, but I need so I try to get this done as efficiently as possible. We come to the front, and first thing you see is an awesome hood scoop on top of, the 351 kilowatt 5 litre V8 530 newton meter monster that Lexus has got here. You've got the three L's there, the LEDs, and then they're the daytime running LEDs there, the little spiky arrow type thing. There is an airflow that goes through there and comes out the other side. The usual grille at the front that's on all the other Lexuses now. It's classic. You come around here, and there is your first addition to the 10th anniversary pack, your 19-inch forged wheels there with the blue brake caliper pads there. There's your little F badge, and there is where the air comes through on the other side. So the 10th anniversary also gets the awesome matte color, and it gets a carbon fiber roof that you can see over there. So then you come over here, and you've got another smaller brake disc and pad. They're all Pilot Super Sports, which are one of the best wheels that you can get right now. The back ones, because it's rear wheel drive, are a bit thicker as well. Then you come, and part of the 10th anniversary pack is also, this is a carbon fiber pop-up spoiler or wing, so it actually pops up and down, which is super cool, super car-esque, and you can see it going up and down as you're driving. Then you got the usual F diagonal exhaust, which is super cool, but no sort of diffuser going on there. That's interesting. Could have put a little one, even if it didn't do anything. I love the matte, it's such a nice color. Matte is personal preference, but I love it. Then you come, so the back wheels, there's your Super Sports. They're 275 35 19, so they're pretty thick, 275. Same width as the LC and the GS, I believe, so same wheels that they put in. And then at the front, they're 255 35 19, so they're 2 centimeters smaller. Just love that hood scoop, it's so cool. So we're going to take a look at the inside now. I'm going the passenger side. I've got a lot of mics and cameras here, but so the blue leather, that's the 10th anniversary edition, gets the blue. It's super comfortable seats. You've got a fair bit of space. We'll open up the back so you can see the very little room that the rear occupants will get, if any. So they're also pretty comfy. Seats at the back there, much firmer, no heaters for those, and there's a hanger there that I didn't know was there. Nice. So not enough room, plenty of room at the front, but not enough at the back. As you can see from my driver's seat position, there's no room for anyone there. So, and you come in here, let's take a seat, watch on my gear. You've got the screen there, you've got the dated stereo system / weather controls. The Mark Levinson is pretty good though. It does have 17 speakers in this small area, which is super cool, and I really love the touch of the blue. It's just super unique compared to all the other competitors that go, white and black, and some of them even go red. And you've got your seat heating and cooling. This is your modes: Eco, Normal, Sport, and there's your wheel, which, as I said in my review, it's those. So these buttons here, they come straight from Toyota. Same wheel you see on a Corolla and the like, and then the little stick here for cruise control is also from a Toyota. But it does feel good in here. The seats are super comfy because they are buckety feel, so they squish you in, but they also have enough leather to be comfy and not super unergonomic like raw bucket seats. Go around to the driver's side. Okay, there's the cat there. That's been following me. Neighbour's cat. It is starting to rain a bit more serious now, so I'm going to get through this. So we come in, and it starts to turn on. Nice. Oh, nope, just does the lights. You press brake and then start engine. Well, I'll start it in a second. But yeah, this wheel actually heats up as well with one of these buttons here. The screen, like I've complained about, wish it was touchscreen, wish it had CarPlay. I'm really powering through this one. And then when you turn it on, comes forward, the wheel, let's close the door. You have got cool little blue and black sort of carbon fibery texture there. There's your button to change the wing if you want it on. Now the wing's on, and it'll tell you from these settings here, which I've discovered earlier. There's your rear wing position. How cool is that? In the middle is your digital instrument cluster with your digital speedo there. Changes when you go to sport, and then you go to eco. It's got that weird blue rev thing, and then there's your analog speedo as well, and then top left is your fuel level, your heat and cold, and then your settings here that you can change, but we'll go through in another tech video. Again, it's got this annoying little touchpad here, which as you can see controls it. So this one's a bit odd. It does a click every time you do any move, not just when you click. So it's like a sort of haptic feedback type thing, but it's a bit weird, and I wish you would just make it touchscreen to make things so much easier. But inside here, it's super nice. It's super cozy, super comfy. Everything heats up. It's got dual USBs, which is good to know. And then turn that off, and it pushes the wheel back up for you, so you have more space to get out. Overall, pretty nice car to walk through. You can drive in it for a bit. You'll see our review going up soon. And there it is, the new RCF 10th Anniversary Edition, which has a few extras: the seats, the pads, the wheels, the roof and the spoiler. It costs an extra 14 grand. So there you have it. So I turned off the car, but the spoiler stayed up, and this is the first time I've actually seen it up. So as you can see here, it goes up and down, and it's super cool. You wouldn't even tell that it has a spoiler or a wing, whatever you want to call it. But that is super cool, full carbon fibre. So when you are driving, depending on your speed, it'll actually raise itself and go up and down. How awesome is that? I love that spoiler. I wish all the RCFs would have had that. Anyway, so there you go. There it is.